Hello kids, I am here again to teach you English. Yes, now in English we will learn a new alphabet and the alphabet is V. First one is capital V and second one is small v. Children, the phonic sound of letter V is V. The phonic sound of letter V is V. So, now I am going to tell you one story of letter V. So, listen carefully. Tina lives with her parents in a valley. She can play with the violin. Her father has a violet van. Her mother grows vegetables in the garden. So children, there are so many words that starts from letter V, like valley, violin, violet, van, vegetables.